My name is Ritika Kohli. I'm a class teacher of First A from R.P.M. Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New Laipur. Today, I'll teach SH sound words in subject English. SH sound word. SH sounds is sh. Let's read a story and try to find out the words from SH sound. I wish I had a fish. I wish, I wish, I wish. I look in my dish and there is no fish. I am on this ship and there is no fish. We have a plan. We get the fish net from the shack on the ship. We put it in the water. We catch one big fish. We cook it and put it in our dish. In a flash, we go back to the shack. We get the net to catch more fish. So here we have read and learned the words from the sound SH. The sound of SH can be come in the starting or at the end. There are few words below: fish, wish, ship, and the last is shack. SH sound words have more words. The first word is shadow, 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 shadow. Shoes, shoes, shoes. Shrimp, shrimp, shrimp. Shower, shower, shower. These are the words where sh is coming in the beginning. Shovel, shovel, shovel. Shirt, shirt, shirt. Shorts, shorts, shorts. Ship, ship, ship. These all are the words where sh is coming in the beginning. Another example is there of sh sound words at the beginning. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Shark, shark, shark. Shell, shell, shell. Shop, shop, shop. Shed, shed, shed. Ship, ship. Now, there are more words from the sound sh which comes at the end. The sound of sh comes at the end. For example, fish, fish, fish. Wash, wash, wash. There are more examples of sh sound words from the beginning and from the end. First, we will read words at the beginning. Shrimp, shred, sharp, shore, shrink, share, shirt, shot, shark, shear, shrub, shrug. Now, words from the sh sound that comes at the end. Hush, mash, push, push, mesh, trash, rush, rash, wash, wish. So let's read and learn all these sh sound words. The words where sh is coming in the beginning or at the end. I hope you are able to understand the sound of sh. Thank you. Have a great day.